As of my last update in September 2021, the Indian Constitution consists of Articles 22 to 31 that cover various fundamental rights and other important provisions. Here's a brief overview of each of these articles. Article 22, Protection against Arrest and Detention. This article provides protection to a person who is arrested and detained. It includes safeguards such as the right to be informed of the grounds of arrest, the right to consult and be defended by a legal practitioner of choice, and the right to be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours. Article 23, Prohibition of Traffic in Human Beings and Forced Labor. Article 23 prohibits human trafficking and forced labor. It states that trafficking in human beings and begar, forced labor, are prohibited, and any contravention of this provision shall be an offense punishable by law. Article 24, Prohibition of Child Labor. This article prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 years in any hazardous employment. Article 25, Freedom of Conscience and Free Profession, Practice and Propagation of Religion. Article 25 guarantees freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice, and propagate religion. However, it also allows the state to regulate or restrict any economic, financial, political, or other secular activities associated with religious practices. Article 26, Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 26 grants religious denominations the right to manage their own religious affairs, including the establishment and maintenance of religious institutions. Article 27, Freedom from paying taxes for promoting a particular religion. This article ensures that no person can be compelled to pay taxes that are specifically used for promoting or maintaining any particular religion. Article 28, Freedom from attending religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. Article 28, 1. Prohibits religious instruction in any educational institution wholly maintained out of state funds. However, Article 28(3) allows religious instruction in institutions that are administered by the state but open to students of all religions. In such cases, attendance in religious instruction is optional. Article 29, Protection of Interests of Minorities. Article 29 safeguards the interests of minorities in India. It grants them the right to conserve their distinct language, script, or culture, and it also prohibits discrimination against them in matters of admission to educational institutions. Article 30, Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 30 provides minorities, based on religion or language, with the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. Article 31, repealed, Right to property. Article 31 previously dealt with the right to property. However, it was repealed by the 44th Amendment Act in 1978, and the right to property is no longer a fundamental right. It is now only a legal right. Please note that amendments or changes to the Indian Constitution might have occurred after my last update, so it's always good to verify the latest information from official source.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.